Hey, how we doing, guys? Today we've got a really cool update that we're going to go through. Product groups and multi-select within a proposal. So two really cool, it's kind of one feature, two features in one that allows you to quickly create proposals even faster. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk product groups. So when I look at product groups here under product settings, I go to product groups, and now I have the ability to define common products that go together in a job. So here I've got full parking lot maintenance, and I've got a crack seal, mastic, seal coat, striping. This next one I have grade and pave. So maybe I just have a simple grade and pave job that I do consistently. So the idea here is we'll create clumps of products that you're consistently doing. So if you're creating a proposal and you're adding the same 2, 3, 4 products to a proposal all of the time, come in here, create a product group with those different combination of products, and then I'll show you how this relates to a proposal in just a second, okay? So I'm gonna click create product group, and let's name this mill and pave. So now we're going to select our products that we have set up within our account, and we're going to select these in the order we want them to appear on the proposal. So here I'm going to mill, and then I'm going to come back in and I'm going to pave. And you can do this is my parking lot, right? Parking lot, mill and pave. Because again, if you're doing roads or versus parking lots versus driveways, your production rates will be different, your equipment could be different, your crews could be different, and so on and so forth. So this is my large job, mill and pave, and these are the products that go within that type of job, okay? So I'm going to create this product group. Now I've got an extra one. Let's jump into a proposal now and show how this comes together. Okay, so now we've got a couple options here. So we don't have to have a product group for every combination of products. That's not the idea here. But now you have the ability to select multiple products to add them to a proposal at a single time. Now if I click add to proposal, here I have this information that I can fill out and click add to proposal, and it works, okay? Otherwise, if I clear this and I do product group, well, now I'm going to select my full parking lot maintenance group that I've already created. So now I have this group created. I don't have to select those products every single time. I select the group and then I click add to proposal. Now here are my products that I have within this group. I've got my crack seal, my mastic, my seal coat, and my line striping, okay? So now let's start defining some job sizes in here. Again, same as within the proposal, I can punch in a number here. Let's call this 1200 linear feet. And based on my defined production rate, it's 2 hours. I can overwrite that from here quickly. Mastic, maybe I want to measure the area that we're going to mastic, right? They have some separation between the concrete and the asphalt, let's say 174 feet. Great. Our system is going to generate that map image exactly like it would otherwise if I did these individually, okay? Now I want to measure my seal coat. All right, so here's my seal coat, 37,000. I'm going to save this. 37,000 should be about 5 hours. I kind of know that this is going to take us a little bit longer. I'm going to put 8. And then I've got, let's just call this 750 linear feet of stalls, and my guys are going to be there for 2 hours. So now this is a really quick way to configure the basic level of information for each component of your job in one place. Now when I click add to proposal, all of those products have now been added to this proposal. So based on the time, the production rate, the job size, I've got 1200 linear feet for 3 hours that I overwrote. Same thing, all of these costs are calculated for you. So now it's the same exact thing that worked before if you were adding them one by one, but now you're adding them in bulk. So my mastic, got 174, 2 hours, I didn't overwrite that. We're gonna generate that image for you. Seal coat, 37,000 for 8 hours. And to show you, whoops, here's the map image that got generated for my seal coat product. That gets attached. And then if I come up to my mastic, here's my mastic. You can see the line that we outlined. So individual images for each product still. And then lastly, we've got our 750 feet of striping. And now we're ready to roll. So I can save this or send this, do the same as usual, but that is how we are using product groups and multi-select within our proposal dropdown now to make it even easier and faster to create these proposals so you can send more bids out and win more jobs. Thanks, guys.